Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. I'm kicking off this job solo. We've got 6 jobs on the books today. My business partner is currently cleaning a deck, and then he's going to come link up with me. But in the meantime, I'm going to soft wash this bluestone patio. As you can tell, they got all the joints fixed. When I came out here the first time to quote it, it was a disaster. She wanted to get it sealed, but I told her, I was like, there's really no point until you get all this fixed. So now all that's kind of replaced and fixed. I'm gonna clean it very gently, and then we're gonna let it dry. We bought blowers and fans. As that's drying, we're gonna clean our carport. And then once it's nice and dry, we'll get our seal and we'll pump spray it on there and roll it like we did the other one. Our lead tech is knocking out 2 jobs for us, and then we got 2 more after this. So very busy day. We've been battling the rain all week. Tomorrow is going to be a wash. We have 4 jobs scheduled tomorrow, but we're going to knock out 2 early in the morning, get there at 7, be done by like 9:30, and then the rest of the day is going to be absolutely pouring. So that'll make for a long Friday. So anyways, all of our school jobs are coming in. We've got 3 scheduled football stadiums. So we'll be doing those here in the next month or so. But here's the fan we use to dry the patios. And then, sorry guys, the customer came out. But I'm also battling an injury. I have 6 stitches on the bottom of my foot there. So I'm limping around. I should probably be resting, but people don't care when you're hurt. They really don't. They want their properties clean. They want their patios sealed. They couldn't care less. They probably think you're lying, just how people are. But you know what? I feel pretty good, so I'm working. If it gets wet, I gotta change socks and shoes. But anyways, you can see how dirty this is. I'm going to probably downstream it, let it sit for a while. A while meaning 15-20 minutes. I'm going to surface clean it with my 4-gallon. I'm using the 4-gallon strategically because these joints are just not in good shape. And give it a good rinse, and then we'll start the drying process. I also brought blowers, like a backpack blower. That always helps. And then we may even go knock out another job as this dries and then just come back. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I need the sun to come out. Like I said, we've been battling a lot of rain here lately. But anyways, let's get started. All right, guys, so everything's pre-treated. I downstreamed it. I wish people would go back to downstreaming. It's a very efficient way of cleaning things. I'm already seeing a big change. I see the mold already dying here. I'm still going to surface clean it. But where a lot of guys mess up, they don't give SH enough time to work. You got to give it some time to dwell. I see guys put their chemicals on and then immediately start washing. That's not how it works. You got to let it sit for a second. So I'm going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, because if I start surface cleaning prematurely, there's going to be a lot of spots that are still dirty. But if I let this SH sit there and dwell, it'll do what it's supposed to do. I can surface clean it and be done. So be patient, guys. I talk about it all the time. Don't be in a hurry. Schedule your jobs to where you can slow down, focus, and do good work. People ask me all the time, man, how do you get all these jobs? Well, one, we're very efficient. We answer the phone and we show up and we give people estimates within, an hour or so. And then I schedule to where quality stays up. We can focus on our jobs. The last thing you want to do is be in a hurry. If you're the company just trying to hurry through jobs to get a check, those jobs you did, but they're probably not going to call you back, because your work isn't going to be perfect. People want perfect. All right, guys, now the patio is nice and clean. Looks awesome. Now we're gonna get this thing dried up. Hopefully the sun comes out pretty soon. Helps us out. This is a great upsell, guys. If you're gonna clean a patio, ask them if they want it sealed and tell them the benefits of having it sealed. And then give them a price. Or when you go out and quote cleaning it and then just add the sealing in the bid. And they'll be like, oh, he seals it too? Well, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna get the blower and start blowing the water off. Let it dry for about 30, 45 minutes, and then there's the sealer stuff over there. And my business partner's on the way. He's gonna spray it and I'm gonna roll it. It's a good way to get this done fast. Patient with is letting it dry fully, and it is drying a lot faster than I thought it would. We'll give it another 15-20 minutes and then we'll start sealing this thing. It'll probably take us an hour and a half to get this thing sealed. It's a very well paying job. All right, guys, we are finished. And that is the final product. It looks really good. Rolling it definitely helps. I'm going to advise them now to not walk on it or put any furniture on it till the end of the day. It's pretty warm. This should be fully dry in the next 8 hours or so. All right, on to the next ones.